Watch and learn.
I, Layla, will destroy all the agents of evil. Bring
I'm Mia, the moon elf. Oh, you look familiar.
It seems that the Monian Empire's got a few.
This must be the lowest floor.
It's the Ether Gate. How'd he do it?
that flame he mentioned. Could he be wanting us to go?
Shh. Quiet.
These guys just don't know when to call it quits. Give us your order. I'll.
Darkness is closing in.
My lightning
Shield!
Energy blast!
Healing prayers for everyone.
Get off our land.
I'm sorry.
This isn't good. My energy. I, Layla, will destroy all the. Lunox!
I hope I'm not too late. Tigreal, actually had me.
The Twilight Earth.
But at this time, we have no time left to solve its mysteries. Akshik predicted that you would end up here.
Lunox, you're hurt.
Don't worry about me for the time being. Tigreal, you must hurry to activate the Twilight.
All right. Rafaela, I'll... Alice, have you truly lost it?
Don't get ahead of yourself, Tigreal. I have... You have only yourself to blame for everything.
Do you want to know about lightning magic?
I wish for peace in this land.
Hey! How are things with you?
Darkness is closing in.
My lightning...
Energy blast!
Healing prayers for every...
Get off our land.
Victory favors brave heroes like me.
Alice, there's no meaning to such a rage and resist.
Look! The Crimson Star. It seems to be...
There's no time! Damn it! I won't be...
You're tough.
I knew we'd be in a battle of life and death eventually. Take command one last time. Let's fight to keep the flame of humanity.
Let's fight, friend.
We can do it.
Stay away from me if you want to live.
Edith, the priestess of primal lightning, is ready to help. I'm here to drive evil away.
I wish for peace in this land.
I'm here to drive evil away.
Keep it up.
Energy blast!
Get off our land! You had your lesson.
God damn it all, Tigreal. This...
It seems it really is too late.
Don't give up hope. We must get the commander to the Ether Gate at the very...
I know. I recall Akshik saying that the ether oceans can wipe your memories. But if there's such a thing as miracles, there's no better time than right now. I hope you always remember everything that's happened in this world. If fate willed that this world could never be saved, would you still?
Feels good to be stronger.